Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have a Tracer 09 on a 2017 plate, covered only a shade over 11,000 miles and in absolutely glorious condition to present to you. So let's have a quick look around this one. We've got the bigger screen on there and the little addition on the top. We do have the original screen for it. It's coming down, you can see here, stone chip free. Gold forks are lovely, front mudguard's lovely. Wheels are in fantastic condition throughout. And if you just have a look at those downpipes there, absolutely lovely, no corrosion. You can see this bike has been completely cherished. Moving up, no damage on the panels. And down onto the engine, CP3 engine. I do particularly like the dual colours on this one. Coming along, again, all in great order. Go along to the back. Again, if we look inside, the rear shock, clean, very clean. Coming up, bodywork. Got a top box on this one, a Givey monolock system. Obviously that can come off if you don't like the top box on there. Coming down, we've got a pyramid hugger extension on there. Chain and sprockets in good order. Great service history with this bike. Coming along, side of the tank there, around the front. Coming down, front wheel great. Coming back up, sides all good, mirrors all good. Across the top of the tank, excellent. Walking around the front. The only thing that I can find, and this is just being picky, just the smallest of little marks on here, just on the side where it looks like it's perhaps just rested against a gate or maybe the garage wall. The mirrors themselves are fine. It is literally just there on that. But I think you'll agree, for a 2017 bike, it's absolutely lovely. Let's just have a quick look at the dashboard. There we go, 11,314 miles. I'll just start it up for you. There we go. Beautiful example of a highly desirable motorcycle. Give us a call or drop us an email and we'll help you get on your way with it. Thanks very much.